Hi, I'm Cleena from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Laurel Outdoor Lounge set. This set consists of 2 reclining chairs, ottomans and a side table to match. The Laurel frame is made up of strong aluminium and topped with resin wicker, which offers durability, strength and requires no maintenance. Resin's waterproof qualities mean it can be left outside 365 days a year. Plus, the aluminium frame is rust resistant, adding to its longevity. The resin has been stained in this fabulous beige colour that would certainly complement your garden. The chairs feature a manual recliner. With the pull of a lever, you can lie back and enjoy the sun. Weather-resistant cushions, which are filled with loose and foam fibre, add to the comfort of the chairs. Both chairs are paired with an ottoman, which means you can put your feet up and relax in style. A sheet of scratch and heat-resistant tempered glass can be found on the top of the side table. The Laurel Outdoor set will enable you to lounge in the luxury of your own garden. You can shop the range today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.